Hello everyone, in this video I will review Piwigo. Piwigo is one of the best open source photo management software. It is designed to help you organize, store, and share your photos safely. Since it's open source, you can use it for free and even customize it way you like. Piwigo works perfectly for both personal and professional use. It's great for photographers, teams, or anyone who wants full control of their photo collection. You can create albums, add tags, and manage thousands of photos without slowing down. The software also keeps all your photo details like titles, dates, and descriptions well organized. Another good thing about Piwigo is its flexibility. You can host it on your own server or use a paid cloud version if you don't want to handle technical stuff. It also supports plugins and themes, so you can easily change the look and add extra features. The sharing options are very useful too. You can share photos or albums publicly or privately with selected people. Plus, you can control who can see or download your pictures. However, Piwigo isn't as modern looking as some newer apps, and it doesn't include smart features like automatic face recognition or AI sorting. But it's fast, reliable, and works smoothly even with large photo collections. Overall, Piwigo is a powerful and trusted photo management tool. It's the best choice for people who want privacy, flexibility, and complete control over their photos without depending on third-party services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.